Hello, I'll be doing weekly challenges every fortnight in the hope that I will learn from the experiences, looking at life through somebody else's eyes. The challenges will be difficult. The challenges will be meaningful. This is Reece for a week. Good morning. This is cigarette number 1. Still getting a burning sensation when I do it, not much else. Doesn't taste any better yet. Still burns, still tastes like crap. Had a really dry throat all last night. I really don't see when this is going to start to benefit me. It's about 10 minutes after the first cigarette. I'm at work now. I'm not feeling anything positive from the first cigarette this morning. My mouth's really dehydrated and cottony already. My fingers, I had to wash my hands 3 times so far because I keep getting that smell on my fingers, which is disgusting. I just finished cigarette number 2 for today, cigarette number 7 I believe too. The negative effects are going a bit now. I don't feel any head rush. I had a little bit of a head rush this time. I think I smoked it a bit too fast, but I'll get used to that I think, maybe, I don't know. Also the burning in the back of the throat is starting to fade away now. Or I'm getting used to it, I'm not sure. But that's about it. I'm not actually enjoying it that much yet. So if any smokers do watch this, obviously share your opinions on this. I don't understand how relaxed you're supposed to be getting from this. But I'm at work at the moment. The thing I'm starting to be really confused and worried about is people who smoke and have smoking breaks during work. Do they have their smoking breaks because they want a cigarette, or do they have a cigarette because they want a break? If you understand my concept there, it's whether they actually need a cigarette or they just want a break. They get the opportunity to do so, while non-smokers on the other side of that don't. Sorry guys, I'm quite late for work, so I'm having to sort of smoke this one on the way. I'll have another one when I'm there, and another one during a shift. So I've been doing a lot of other filming on my other channels today, but hopefully I still get enough insight on this. Sorry the bad angles, but I'm really fed up of people staring while I do this. So I thought... Shit. I'll mention how smoking is socially good, and under the negative
Yeah.
I don't know, it's just...
You're recording my voice?
No.
Yes, you are.
What?
What?
My first fag break during my evening shift at work, and it's quite different. Obviously you can see I'm being quite social, so I think that's another benefit of smoking is the social side of things. Sorry. So I've been talking to someone that I don't usually talk to just because I'm having a cigarette, and we're obviously sharing information about smoking and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So that's definitely another benefit of smoking, is the fact you can talk to other people that you wouldn't normally talk to. The same with if you're going out clubbing and stuff, you'd probably meet people you wouldn't normally meet. That's an opportunity to chat to new people. So yeah. That was my final cigarette of the day, so I've got to be quiet because everyone's in bed. Day 2, I got to pick up the cigarette. Day 2 was a bit easier than day 1. Sorry, day 2 is a bit easier. Hold on again, sorry. Day 2 is a bit easier than day 1. Get used to it a little bit, but still burns a little bit in the back of my throat. What else? Also, fingers still stink. I'm getting used to it a little bit, but it's still nasty. And to come home rather than going to bed and feel like I need one of these. I don't have the addiction. This is just sort of doing a routine of what a smoker would do. But yeah, there's nothing else really. Obviously you saw earlier, it's a very social thing to smoke. Asking a lot of people at work, they started smoking because they went out clubbing with friends and they smoked with their out friends, and it just went from there. Which I thought people may have started independently. I don't know many people that did. They sort of started because their friends started and they thought it was a good idea to carry on, and then they become addicted and then went from there. But I hope day 2's been a little bit more insightful for you. I'm not going to create a complete opinion of smoking until day 7. So thank you for watching all this. I hope that you provide me more information. I know I got a few comments on yesterday's one, so if you haven't seen it, watch that. I don't know why you'd watch all of this without watching the first one, but thank you for all the advice people have given me about how to smoke correctly, and a bit of information about smoking itself. Thank you to everyone at work. I'm going to go to bed now. I'm not going to clean my teeth because I know some people don't clean their teeth at night, and I just want to see what the effects are going to be with my mouth in the morning, and I'll let you guys know in tomorrow's one. So I'm going to go now. I'll upload this as soon as I can. I'll probably be up by morning. So I hope you guys have a lovely night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.